Hi, my name is Kgotso Banalotle. I'm the CEO for Botswana. Botswana is a fantastic homegrown brand. We are 25 years old now as a business that started Botswana as a small business. Botswana have really supported us, and we are now a Pan-African financial institution. I think we've gotten this far through ensuring that they serve the needs of Botswana. Going forward, I think we're looking to be an institution that can serve the needs of Botswana more broadly. We've been known to be an institution tusang batho ba ba iperekela. But going forward, our dream is to be an all-round consumer financial services company that serves the needs of Botswana ba ba iperekelang, Botswana ba ileng gore they are entrepreneurs, le Botswana ba ileng gore bana le letseno le ileng gore is not necessarily regular, they are not employed, but they do have means of income. So we're looking to really serve a broader set of needs tsa Botswana gore ba kgone go itshetsa, ba kgone go ikagela gongwe le gongwe mo Botswana ko ba batlang, le gore ha ba iperekela to improve their company where they need access to financing, that will be able to support them. You know, looking at how successful we've been helping salaried Botswana, we've looked at others who spheres where Botswana have been excluded from access to financing. So Botswana ba sologela gore ga ba batla go aga anywhere really in Botswana, that's something that we will be able to partner with them and be able to offer them that. The one thing I'm proud of, we serve and we are here to serve every Motswana. There's a select few we work with. We are here to serve every Motswana, and we want to make sure that Motswana mongwe le mongwe kwa leng teng o ileng gore o na le letlhoko la thuso ya madi a ileng gore o kgona go a duela go tsweledisa botshelo jwa bone for whatever ambition they have. Ga re judge gore that ambition is small or big, and therefore we will not help you. We'll be able to help every Botswana. The second thing is we are quick. We are quick to make decisions. And the good thing in being quick also is we say yes more times, far more times than we say no. When you look at the banking landscape, banks typically serve a very small set of customers. How level in economy like Botswana, there's a whole stream of people who are not regular salaried people. Ba ileng gore somehow ba na le letseno, ba ithekisetsa nyana hale, o tshwarela ba le ona le sekoropo nyana hale la hale. It may not be a regular income. Gona le ba ileng gore ba batla go aga, banka be di ba ra dirinya ga re thusi batho go aga ko metseng, ra aga yala mo ditoropong. Ga re age matlo a ileng gore ke 2.5, ra aga a ileng gore ke bo 3-bedroom houses and things like that. So wherever there is a problem of access to financing, whether because the banks that target the more affluent market would look at it and say this is too small for us, we don't judge those ambitions as small. Our view is we should help and really solve the problem of access to financing for every Motswana. Le Botswana ba ileng gore banked at the moment, they may be underserved. For example, ha batla go ikagela mo gompieno, it's very difficult to get a bank to finance your home ownership too. So what we really pride ourselves in is we look at situations where Motswana ona le a need for financing, and somehow that they're being excluded or underserved. Ga ba kgone go access that financing, and we solve those problems. We really want Botswana to be able to achieve whatever financial ambitions they have. We don't judge gore motho wa gang o nang le an ambition ya go ikagela 2.5, that ambition is less than o batlang go aga a mansion, a home go ha seriti, and you know it's as valuable to you as I guess it's valuable to somebody who has a house or a much bigger budget. You know, we seek to even partner with others to be able to assist Botswana in whatever financial needs that they have. We are a responsible lender. Anytime somebody comes to us to seek financing over and above everything else, we have to make sure that we can afford it. We lend money with an intent to get it back. So we do affordability checks. Re checka gore a motho ke motho e leng gore o ka busa madi ao we will not give you more than you can responsibly pay back. We also actively participate in financial literacy. Just because you qualify for a loan is not the reason to get a loan. I believe our people are the greatest assets that you have. You can have machines, you can put up buildings. Unfortunately, nothing ever happens if that's all you have. It's the people that make the service that we offer to Botswana such a valuable, relevant service. So we are a business that wants to create the right environment for our people to thrive, because they thrive in the service of our customers. And when we have happy employees who are serving customers and fulfilling the needs that they have, not only is it good to come into a workplace that you smile about every morning, seeing customers who are smiling about the service that you offer, it's also a very good business decision because it does go to the bottom line.